Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video. What I have for you here is a Sears Roebuck ceiling fan made by Sanyo. These were made in Japan. 3-speed reversible fan, spinner motor with a decorative motor housing, with pecan blades, brown and antique brass, with an added light kit that came with the fan when I got it. I picked this up from a local collector who sold it to me. It's in mint condition. Very, very nice fan. The globes that are on it did not come with it. Those are something that I added. And I apologize for the mismatched light bulbs. These fans are really unique in that they're almost entirely made out of plastic. Really the only metal parts of the fan are the blade arms and the bottom plate on the motor housing. The rest of the fan is plastic. Even the motor, as you can see here, is entirely made out of plastic. At least I think it is. Actually the motor's metal, never mind. But the lower canopy, the upper canopy, the housing, the switch housing, all made out of plastic. Really gorgeous fan though. Really nice pecan blades, really beautiful fan. Hangs on a J-hook. 3-speed reversible fan. You can see the reverse switch there, so you can tell that this is a more deluxe model by the ornate bottom plate. And the fact that it's a 52-inch reversible model, this is definitely one of the more expensive, higher end of these fans. They all use the same motor, pretty much. All the Sanyo fans pretty much use all the same motor. It's basically an industrial fan motor. But this one was obviously made for residential use. One of the interesting things about these fans is that they have a cord coming out of the switch housing instead of a chain that goes directly to the center of the stator where the pull chain is housed. And the pull chain sequence is low, medium, high, like Casablanca Deltas and Alaska fans. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you it with the light off first of all. You can see how gorgeous this fan really is. Turn the light back on and then we'll go to start off on low. It does have a bit of a hum to it, but it's very, very slight. You can't really tell unless you're looking for it. Low speed is a little bit fast for my taste, but it's definitely an air mover on low. Nice gentle breeze. These I consider childhood fans because the college campus where I used to go to school had 3 of these in the bookstore, and they did not have lights on them, and they were mounted below a drop ceiling, so the upper canopy was concealed almost flush. Medium. And I actually have a white and antique brass version of this fan, this 52 inch as well. Although that one's not in as good a shape as this one. I'm really glad I got this. This is a fan that I've been after for quite a long time. I even like it with the light kit on it. Moving a pretty decent breeze on medium actually. These are fairly powerful fans. And high. Not the world's fastest fan. on high speed, but definitely moving a heck of a lot of air. The thing about foreign fans, Japanese fans, Chinese, Taiwanese made fans, is the strategy that the Asian companies used was to make a motor that had a fast RPM and lower blade pitch, or a shallower blade pitch. Difference between that and the American fans is we did the exact opposite, but it works out both ways. Obviously with this one it works out pretty well. It does have a very slight wobble to it, but nothing that's abnormal. Very, very good air mover. This is a pretty powerful fan. And we'll spin down. Sorry, that was my phone going off. Bearings are good. No noise. It's got a pretty good spin down. So there you have it. That's the 52-inch Sears Roebuck ceiling fan made by Sanyo. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching. More videos to come.